Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be.
Take me back to Georgia, back to Atlanta. Funny how present turns past. I might fly Priscilla out just for better. So mesmerized by that ass. The way she moves it, I can tell that she loves me. A nigga can't help but to touch. Smack it round a bit, then sip on some bubbly. Hope I'm not doing too much. Strange new addictions pick up on the road. Change my opinion and change some of my flows. Change my approach, no more loving these hoes and when it rains.
Alright, you guys, welcome to one of our first segments. And in this segment of like leveling up, just new year, new me, setting healthy habits and all that stuff, there is going to be a little maintenance. So I'm getting my hair done in like 2 hours and my lashes are not done, and I just feel like I would like to have them done already instead of doing them after today. So we are gonna do them. It's not me going to an appointment, it's lash clusters, but baby, it's still the same feel because at the end I'm going to look good. I get my lashes from Amazon. These are the ones I get, the Baba lashes. This is my second time ordering them. I did stray away from them after my first pack that I loved, and baby, I came back because these ones just look a lot better to me. These are more my style. Now I won't be doing a tutorial because I'm going to be doing one like in February for you guys. This glue is not gluing. Where is it at? It's brand new. I don't feel like there's a lot of glue in here. Ooh, got it close. This is going to be the before for my lashes. I am back with the final product. Don't they look so tea? I know. Stay tuned. Alright, you guys, we made it to my hair appointment. We're gonna get it washed.
Taking trips, come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on?
Do you guys like? Because we love. I gotta let you guys get another look. Hold on, because the lighting over there was white lighting. And it was way more. It was tea. You know what? I'm just gonna hit you guys with a proper light so we can really talk wherever. My camera is gonna die because I was really filming. You guys, in case you wanted to see me again, because the hair is so tea. Like, what? I'm feeling myself is playing in my head right now because I can't even. This is my first ever silk press. I've never got a silk press before. So we're gonna see how it holds up, how I like it. Now, once the work week starts, my expectations are obliterated. I have none. There's no expectations. But until then, you know, we'll see. And I honestly enjoy going to Trish so much. I really enjoy my hair appointments. She's like so down to earth. And baby, y'all saw her having a wash bowl. Okay, because they don't do like that no more. I know you clocked it. But I will see you guys in the next part of this vlog. So bye for now. Okay, you guys, so that was my grocery haul. Originally, I did want to shop in Walmart with you guys, but let me tell you, it's a Sunday and it's during the day, so it was really packed. So I was not recording. It was too much going on. Just needed to lock in and focus. Plus, I'm shy. A little stage fright, you know what I mean? But part of this New Year vlog is healthy habits. So we're gonna meal prep. Don't mind the stains on my shirt. I get distracted, but look, you guys. Can you see it? I ordered this November, like Thanksgiving. So I think Thanksgiving was like November 29th this year. It got delivered yesterday, January 19th. So basically 2 months later. And don't think I was okay with waiting 2 months. Trust me, I wasn't. I was emailing them and they're useless. So keep that in mind if you want to order from White Fox. Anyways, moving on. I actually have been meal prepping before the new year started. For this week, we're going to be making the last recipe I've seen on TikTok. And I'm hoping when this vlog comes out, TikTok is back. Okay. I'm okay. It's basically like a Chipotle bowl, but not necessarily the same. So I'm gonna be making cilantro lime rice with black beans, and I'm gonna do just some grilled chicken. In the bowl, we're gonna be having corn, pico de gallo, and guacamole, and lettuce. So yeah, let's get to cooking. So this is not a tutorial, but I thought a voiceover would be fun to change it up instead of music. So we are starting out with my cilantro lime rice, and I am just chopping up my cilantro pretty finely. And then we're going to move on to my limes and just cut those in half because we're just going to end up squeezing those a little bit later on. So I just grabbed my favorite pot, and now we are going to be substituting 1 cup of water for coconut milk, and now I'm just adding the normal cup of water. I did do a little seasoning, of course, and I added my rinsed black beans to the pot. Of course, we got to add the rinsed rice. Make sure you let your water run clear with the rice, and now we're just putting a lid on it. Oh, the rice is about done. I let that cook on low for like 20 minutes, give it a little stir, and I did want to add the cilantro and lime when the rice was finished. I don't know, I just thought that would be a little nice enhancement to the rice. So now it is time for my grilled chicken. I did take coconut oil, butter, sofrito, and garlic and add that to the pan to simmer a bit first. And now we're adding my sliced chicken breast, letting that grill on both sides, giving it a flip over. And then we're going to be taking it over to my nice cutting board. I did go for a fajita type of slice with the chicken, so that's just what I'm doing here. So I did take out my containers. You should have at least 5 ready to go, you guys. I did put 1 cup of rice in each container, which was too much. I'm not gonna lie. I was full, too full. And then I added about 2 spoonfuls of corn, and I just took my beautiful chicken and added that to each container. I want to work on my presentation skills because you guys will see it's not the cutest, but it was pretty good. Alright, you guys, I'm all done. I'm not gonna lie, after I mix it up, I was like, I don't know if that's cute, but first try. Okay, that's good. First meal of the day. It's like 4 p.m. Now, as far as serving size go, there is a lot of food in here. A lot more food than I thought it was gonna be. Hey guys, I am currently on the way to the gym right now because for me that's one of the last things I wanted to incorporate in this vlog, for me to just get in the new year and get into my healthy habits. But some things I want to tell you guys is to, number one, be realistic with yourself, because we've been through several New Years now and you know yourself better than anyone, so don't just set unrealistic expectations, because you know you. So if you want to go to the gym, instead of being like, oh, I'm gonna get up at 5 a.m. and go to the gym, if you can't do that because of whatever reason, work, you're not a morning person, go to the gym at a different time. Don't be like, oh, I didn't wake up at this time, so now I can't go, type of vibe. And maybe 5 a.m. isn't for you. Also, instead of picking a bunch of things, or maybe picking things and just being vague with it, maybe hone it in and narrow it down, make it a little bit more niche so that you can hold yourself to that standard easier and you can actually see you're doing it. Maybe it's being healthy. What's going to help you do that? Maybe you're like, I need a meal prep every week. That is something that you can see happening every week instead of just saying, I want to be healthy. We're at the gym, you guys, and wish me luck because I'm vlogging. Okay, you guys, we are done with the workout. It was giving leg day, and I don't know what we were doing, but we did it. I did it. Look at me. But I think I would probably want to come back again this week, or I might do a YouTube video workout at home. So we will see. But that concludes my vlog. I hope you guys have a great new year and you guys are setting realistic expectations with yourself and staying consistent. Bye guys. Love you.